time to fuck.
Alright.
Where?
Just tell me when.
How?
How, what, when, where, what?
Boo-boo kitty fuck.
Take it, boo, kitty fuck. K-U-T-D-Y.
Do you know what we could be doing right now?
We
This could be off. We should not be seeing anything, and all of our posts could be off. But they're all on. Why? Huh? Why? Because the lights are still on. Why? Huh? Why do you? I don't know you. I don't know you.
Let's go Dick's music.
Okay. You ready for this? Let's go.
Your name's Boo Boo Kitty Fuck.
Okay, you ready? Here, I'll leave it up to you.
Your Boo Boo
Right.
Kitty Fuck.
Come on, get this. Let's do it. Ready?
Your hand is probably in the way.
I know.
Kelly, get in town. Come on.
He was just talking about losing weight.
Ready? Ready?
That was sick. It made him funny.
Go.
Ew. Oh, calm down.
Over the shoulder.
What the fuck?
Ready?
My dick goes all the way around.
Ready?
Oh, so then be any shit.
Okay, this is my hand.
Javier.
Javier.
Come talk. Come talk to me. Come talk.
Hello.
Hello. These are my fat friends.
They're beautiful.
Tina, Hector.
That's 4.
No?
You said 5. You
The other one's in my pants.
show that one.
Lionel. And
Boo Boo Kitty Fuck.
these are my 4 best friends. And the other one's down here. Over here. Sometimes I have some slam. So I need to use my slam to help me talk.
I will use your clamshell as my fucking buddy. Yes. Oh, you're pitching me.
Sure.
Fuck.
Some old school.
Are you supposed to have your hands on my hips?
Go ahead. Here's the fun.
Let me see your hips swing.
In the dick.
What?
You hit me in the dick with your hip.
Cannot touch it, cannot. Wow.
Oh.
I know. This is how we charge Tyler.
Charging.
It goes into here and you know the rest.
Through my pants.
It's in my pants.
No, I
Bless you.
Ow!
Didn't even hit you.
That hit me in the eye.
Pussy.
You're a fucking dyke.
Oh, look at.
Good job. Good job.
Get.
Hold on, because
You're wasting my napkins, nigga.
I don't care. I don't. You know what?
Pick it up, Tyler.
You know what Miss Lou would say?
Keep yours clean.
Let's not die in 2012.
Not like everyone else has forgotten.
I'm gonna be left for dead.
Can't wait. Okay. Keep talking. Robot, go.
That's not the robot. No one's gonna move.
Alright, robot, go.
I don't know how to do the fucking robot.
I'll teach you, ready?
Robots don't move this fast.
the Irish jig. My bad.
I don't do that without it.
That's Cotton Eye Joe.
Oh.
Oh,
This thing. Oh shit.
Max phone.
Oh, this is how it's going.
This is how you do it. Oh. Irish.
Irish play? Is that what you just said? Say goodbye.
Bye, boo boo kitty fuck.
No, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, boo boo kitty fuck.
Give it a kiss.
No.
Come on, little one.